Okay, so now that you've got your Shopify store ready to go, we're ready to apply for a Wayfair account. So just go to sell.wayfair.com. Once you're navigated to this website, on the top right-hand corner, click on apply. Then we've got section number 1, which is contact information. Enter your contact details. The email address that you use here is going to be the email address that Wayfair is going to use to reach out to you, whether you get accepted or whether you get rejected. Section number 2 is your business information. Now just remember, the legal business name is going to be the name that's listed on your articles of incorporation. So when you incorporate your business, the legal name that's listed there is what's supposed to be listed here. So if you have a numbered company, go ahead and enter that here because that is your legal business name. And then section number 3, I would suggest clicking yes that you can dropship, and then yes that you're able to accept returns. Even if you plan on having Wayfair accept returns on your behalf, it's still a good idea to select yes, just so that you can let Wayfair know that you do have the capability of accepting returns, and that would increase the chances of your application being accepted. And then scroll down a little bit and select your top online retailers. Here, I would suggest having at least Amazon, and then once you scroll down further, you can click your own website. If you are selling on other marketplaces like Walmart, Home Depot, Overstock, you can select those as well. The more you have, the better it is. But if you don't have any, I would suggest to have at least Amazon and your own website here. And then we've created in the last video, we've created an online link through our Shopify store. So you're going to have that pasted in here and then click on apply. Now, just remember that your application may take a few days or even a couple of weeks, up to 2 weeks for Wayfair to get back to you and for them to tell you whether you've got accepted or rejected. And in the event that you did get rejected, be patient. Go ahead and touch up your website a little bit, add more products, bring in some variety of different products in, and then go ahead and apply again.